It's time to create your very own ePortfolio. To get started, head to the BHCC website at www.bhcc.edu. Scroll to the very bottom of the page to find the link to the ePortfolio system under Life Map. That link will take you to the Digication login page. Click Login. And here, you can log in with your full Bunker Hill email address. If you're a student, this includes the @bhcc.edu. If you're a faculty member, that includes @bhcc.mass.edu. If this is your first time accessing Digication, you'll probably come to a Terms of Service page, but after you agree to those terms, you'll be dropped here at the dashboard.